how to activate eSIM with QR code on iPhone. Now there are two ways of doing this, and I will show you how in a minute or two. So go into settings, and in settings we're going to scroll down and tap on cellular. Then we go down and tap on add eSIM. Now in here we're going to select the QR option, so tap on use QR code. Then tap on scan QR code. Now point the camera at the QR code that you have on your device, like this. Okay, after that you should see the phone will automatically try to activate this the eSIM. Now here it shows that I'm unable to activate the eSIM because it has already been used or is not active. But if your QR code is active, you should be presented with a screen where you can continue to activate the eSIM. Okay, so you try to do that. Another option is to enter the details manually. Sometimes when you go to the provider, so when you go to your provider, they send you an email, go to the website. If you don't have the QR code, sometimes they give you the details where you can simply put it in manually. So here we tap on scan QR code and then enter details manually. And here simply enter in the address, the activation code, and then tap on next to activate your eSIM. And another options is to go to the website that has the QR code. So for example, if you go to a provider and they show you the QR code on the screen like this, so what you can do is touch and hold on that QR code like this, and then go down. So we go touch and hold, and then we go down. So scroll down and then tap on add eSIM. And this will allow you to activate the eSIM. So just tap on activate and it will try to activate the eSIM. Again, if your eSIM is not valid or it has expired, then you will not be able to activate the eSIM. So make sure your QR code is currently active so that you can add it to your device. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.